Custom Furniture Restoration is a family-owned business for over 60 years. We proudly offer professional antique furniture repair and antique furniture restoration services in New Jersey. We are a full-service furniture repair and furniture restoration company. Our standards of furniture restoration craftsmanship, as it should be done, will assist and guide you in meeting the needs of your valuable furniture. We can offer you recommendations as to what constitutes honest and acceptable furniture repairs and restoration. We also offer flexible service hours for corporations with our on-site restoration of executive office furniture, which includes desks, credenzas, conference tables, and chairs.